Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have some fun, but first let me introduce my guest that I have with me. Alright, tell me your name.
Greg Machida.
And what's your channel?
Apex Sun.
Apex Sun. Alright, well he's going to be joining me. We are loaded up and headed to a craft fair at our local distillery. So we're going to hop in the car and head that way. Greg, you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm excited too. So we've got to get there. It's about 20 minutes away, and then we will get set up our tent and get our items that we're going to be selling at the craft fair. What have you got today to sell?
Popcorn, kettle corn.
Kettle corn. He made some gourmet kettle corn made out of what?
Chocolate and caramel.
That sounds good. We'll have some samples. We'll test them out a little later, but let's go get set up. Alright, we've got the tent set up. I'll give you a tour in just a minute, but it has started to rain, and so we're kind of cramped up in the tent waiting for it to blow over, so we'll see how that goes. Well, we were set up, but the rain has changed the plans, so we've had to move the tent in a little tighter so we don't get wet, but we are technically set up. We're still early though. Gates haven't opened yet until noon, but maybe we'll have a full walk around to the booth when the rain stops, which should be in about an hour. But right now everything's kind of pushed into the center so we can get all the rain. It doesn't drip on it because it's coming in from the south here, so we'll give it a few more minutes and then maybe we'll set back up to back to our original setup. The rain has stopped now, so we are good and we're set up. So let's give a tour of how we're doing our booth for today at the Remedy Artesian Craft Festival. So here we have an obelisk we made for the spring garden season, and we have our ornaments. So we have some turned Christmas trees, some gnomes. We got wind going on here.
Alright, y'all good? I'll go look at the food.
And moving closer into the tent, we've got Greg setting up his popcorn station with caramel chocolate, and plain popcorn.
Good, Joanna.
And the new thing we added was the Remedy anti-gravity bottle holder right here. This is perfectly weighted for the Remedy bottles.
Shanna, you hungry right now?
Then we got our cutting boards. Some French rolling pins.
They're ready.
We got our new sign for Trail 47 banner. And here's some of our Christmas items. We got our advent calendar wreath. LED lanterns that we've been selling on the site that have been going really well. Our welcome to the party, marking your drink cups there. And 3 turn bowls we have.
Well, not everybody's ready.
And come over here, we've got our stand that we have been promoting for crafters. We've got those for sale. And our bourbon smoker, which we'll do a demo a little later. And then we got our TV set up here to show kind of some of our videos of what we're doing. Now you can see on our YouTube channel. Alright, let's see how it goes today. So we'll just give it some time. The rain has subsided and it is just cloudy right now, which is good, and we're just going to wait for guests to come by. Take a look. we're back in the garage. I didn't get a chance to do a video as we're shutting down. The wind started whipping really hard, and we did get a little bit of sprinkles toward the end, so we shut the show down early because the winds were just getting crazy that were coming in. But as you can see, everything is loaded back in. I don't know if you can see, but we loaded everything up in a hurry. So get a light on. There you go. Back in the truck. And then we had the trailer with the big stuff. But overall, it was a good day. We sold some bourbon smokers, sold some Christmas ornaments, and now we get to enjoy some of Greg's popcorn. Pretty tasty. Well, until next time, we'll see you then. And if you'd like to see more videos like the one that you just saw, you can check here and here. And remember the ABCs of making. Always be creating. Till next time.